Welcome to our lesson on the 9 layout. This is a lesson that's really very physical for your child and is going to really help them understand number placement. Before you present this lesson to your child, they need to have a strong grasp of the introduction to the decimal system, the second introduction to the decimal system, and even the 10 tray, or what we like to call it the exchanging game. So make sure that they have an understanding of those materials before you present this. What you will need for this work is a large work mat. As always with all of our works, we want to make sure the child has a control of error, and it's comforting for them to understand where their work is laid out. This is our large mat, or you can use a large beach towel that would be a solid color though. You don't want anything with any kind of pattern at all. It takes away from the materials. You will also need a set of numbers. These are the traditional Montessori numbers from 1 to 9,000, or what we've done is printed off the Montessori print shop numbers and laminated them so they're a little more sturdy. You will also need the 9 tray. That's what we call it in the classroom. In the classroom we have it on the shelf just like it is, with a tray with 9 unit beads, 9 10 bars, 9 100 squares. Now these 100 squares we purchased from Montessori Education Supplies. You can get these, which is a little bit more economical. These are 100 units, or we do also have the beaded 100 squares. And then you will need 9,000 cubes. The purpose of this lesson is a really concrete way to help your child understand number placement, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. It also redefines for the child the association between quantity and numeral. And it's really going to help your child with concentration and fine motor skills. And this is another work that you can incorporate movement with. As you'll see coming up in the lesson, I'm going to have the 9 tray sitting right by the rug. But if you have a child who's interested in learning about this but needs movement, put the 9 tray across the room so they have to get up and go get the quantity. This is 1 unit. This says 1. 1, 2. This is 2 units. This says 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. And you can even ask your child, can you find the number that says 3? This says 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 units. This says 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 units. This says 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the importance of doing the 9 layout first is they're able to see how a number gets bigger. This is 6. This says 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. This says 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. This says 8. Now this next step is important, and you'll see why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. This says 9. Then ask your child, what comes after 9? They'll say 10. That's right. 10 comes after 9. We're out of unit beads. We have to move to the tens place. Nine, 10. We'll move to the tens place. This is 110. This is 110. This says 110. 1, 2 tens. This is 2 tens. This says 2 tens or 20. 1, 2, 3 tens. This is 3 tens. This says 3 tens or 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. This is 9 tens. This says 9 tens or 90. What comes after 9 tens? Your child will say 10 tens. That's right. So we have to move. 10 tens is 100. So now we have to move to the 100s place. And then you'll take your numerals out again in random order. This is 100. 10 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens is 100. This says 100. 100, 200s. This is 200s. This says 200. 1, 2, 300s. This is 300. This says 300. 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s. This is 900. This says 900. What comes after 900? 10 hundreds. That's right. 10 hundreds is 1,000. So now we have to move to the 1,000s place. This is 1,000. This says 1,000. 1,000. 2,000. Now you can see that the kids are going to get a real kick out of this as we get to 9,000. This is 1, 2,000. This says 2,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. This is 3,000. This says 3,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. This is 4,000. 8,000. This is 8,000. This says 8,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. This is 9,000. This says 9,000.